Wow. Hello guys, my name is David Umishaki and I'm saying welcome to my YouTube channel. A big welcome to you guys. Alright, so today what we're going to be talking about is how to protect your Facebook account from hackers. How to protect your Facebook account from hackers. There are so many times you just like someone you don't know that doesn't know anything about you just come to your account, guess your password, and just come into your account and send links to people, try to mess up with your account and just get your account hacked, like to an extent where you won't be able to access the account again. And that's actually hurt a lot of people. There are a lot of people complaining about it, that my account has been hacked. Just have don't reply the person messaging you now, my account has been hacked. And there are a lot of people you don't even know that they think you are the one sending it to you. They are using that one to manipulate you, and it's actually not making sense that way. It's not making sense that way, and you want to protect your account from something like that. Although it is good to lose your account sometimes, probably because you want to eradicate some friends, you just want to limit your friend because you have 4,099 friends, because the Facebook limit for friends I think it's 5,000, and you have 4,099, but you are not chatting with every one of them, and you just want to take some people out. But to take it out is very, very stressful, and to lose the account is the best thing. But don't worry, there are some people you get information from that you don't want to lose. You do business together, you do most things together that you don't want to lose on your account. All right, so to protect your account now, what you just have to do is to set your verification code. It's just like a code. How it works just like your Gmail. If you go anywhere, you want to access your Gmail, before you can access your Gmail, it's going to send a code to your number, right? It's going to send a code to your number, and once it sends the code, you are going to input the code on that same phone. Now once you input it, the person, like, you'll be able to access your Gmail from there. All right, so I think it is more easier on WhatsApp than Facebook. Now let me go to my WhatsApp in case you don't know how to do the WhatsApp on. All right, so let me go to my WhatsApp. What you just have to do is go to your settings, and from your settings go to your account, and once you get to your account, can you just two-step verification, and once you get there, just enable. Once you enable, can you see it's asking for a which will be asked before you register? Can you see? All right, so I don't want to do that for now, but that's just how to go about that's how to go about WhatsApp. I think it's very, very easy, very, very easy. And to go about Facebook, all right, this is how you're going to do your Facebook home. Okay, now I think I've gone there already before. Yeah. All right, so once you click on the three button here is going to bring you somewhere like this. So the next thing you're going to click on is your privacy shortcuts. Once you click on it, all right, it's loading. Okay, just click on scroll down and click on use two-factor authentication. Once you click on it, can you see it says, it gives me two options. It said I should use authentication app. That means the app on your phone, you can only access it on your phone, which is it's not going to ask for password or not. It's not going to ask for anything. And you can use this one. But what if someone else, like your phone got stolen, and they can access it like that without using password, and they can change your password from there? So you don't want that. So you are meant to use text message. Let me use my text message. I actually didn't use my text message because I just got the phone, so something like that. But I'm already doing it now. So you just have to continue. Once you continue, can you see my number is there because I've done it before. But when I lost my phone, I actually logged into another with another phone to authenticate my two-factor authentication, because I don't want them to hack my account. Yeah, because the account has been long, I don't want them to hack it. All right, so this is what you're going to do. Once you continue, all right, once you continue, it's going to say enter the secret sent to you. Can you see it's telling me to enter the 6 digits sent to me? They already sent something to you, but I don't want that for now. All right, so if you like this video, please kindly please give it a thumb up, and also drop your comment in the comment box. Share what you think, like what you think about this video. You can actually put it in the comment box. Just talk about it, talk about the little you know about it. All right, okay, thanks for watching this video once again, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm pleading, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button to get more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. You're welcome.